Are you sick and tired of your countertops being messy and cluttered with cutting boards all over the place? They won't stand up. They just take up too much space. What are you going to do? Something must be done. Well, now there's a way. The cutting board organizer keeps all of your cutting boards organized and handy, making your life easier, making you happier. Made of space-age materials like wood and glue, they keep your cutting boards upright and keep plenty of space on your counter for you to use at your discretion. Look how happy he is now that his cutting boards are all organized. He can go have fun.
Hey everyone, it's Tony from the Handlebar Workshops, and I am in the garage workshop today. I have yet to make a single cutting board. I know that's weird for a woodworker to say, but I've never made a cutting board. However, I do have a lot of them, mainly plastic cutting boards that I use for cutting up vegetables and stuff like that. I need to organize them, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cutting board organizer today out of this piece of 2x4, it's not even a full 2x4, it's been cut, and this poplar dowel. I normally have a design drawn out, or at least something in my head. I've got nothing at the moment. Let's just start cutting and see what I can come up with. So I cut it down to 1 inch square, and that's because my poplar dowel is 3/4 inch. And that'll just give me a little bit on each side, kind of keep it as minimal as possible. Now I just got to figure out how long I want it. Maybe 18 inches. That sounds good. Decided to go with 12 inch. So what I'm going to cut off some pieces here, and they're going to go between these two pieces like this, and then I'm going to have lay on the ground, and then there's going to be some more dowels sticking up. I just got to find the center line on two sides, and then I can go to the drill press and drill. So all in all, that was a fairly easy build. Just some dowels and some 2x4s cut down. There's some things I would change about it though. First of all, when I was gluing up the sides here, I glued them up on a flat surface, but then I put them someplace else to dry to get out of my way, and they got a little bit out of square, out of flushness here. Put enough weight on them, they will go down, but so I would do that differently. Also, it's a 1-inch square with 3/4 inch dowels. I think that's a little too chunky. I think I'd rather go with a 3/4 inch square with a 1/2 inch dowel. For what I have, maybe if my cutting boards were a bit bigger, this would look a bit more in proportion, but all the cutting boards I have right now are just plastic, and this is just too much, too thick, too chunky for that look. I'm going to use it right now, and maybe I'll come back and revisit this, and then I'll update the video or something. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.
Now all I need is a good wooden cutting board. There's an idea for a video. Making a cutting board. I bet no one has made any videos on making cutting boards before on YouTube. Sweet, totally original content. It'll get tons of views. But wait, if no one's made a video on making cutting boards before, how do I learn how to do it?